Welcome to Aceh Industrial Area, the future hub for industrial innovation and sustainable development in Aceh Province. Established in 2020 by the Aceh government and managed by PT PEMA. Is strategically designed to become the epicenter for Aceh's downstream industries, specializing in Aceh's primary commodities, as well as becoming the central hub of manufacturing, agriculture, chemical, logistic, and warehousing industries in Aceh, with a vision to boost food security, establish a robust food estate, and accelerate the potential industries of Aceh. Positioned to transform Aceh's primary commodities into value-added products, supporting local and regional economies. Aceh Industrial Area is fully equipped with essential permits. Additionally, we offer fiscal and non-fiscal facilities, as well as attractive land rental incentives to support your business growth. Aceh Industrial Area is excited to tap into the incredible 110 megawatt potential of nearby geothermal energy, all while already shining bright with solar-powered street lighting across the area.